I have seen a lot of these videos on YouTube whereby these creators say you can make this amount of money from re-uploading videos from Chinese apps as YouTube Shorts. Well, in this video, I will show you why you should not do this and if it is possible to make this amount of money. And even if you will do it, I will tell you the platform to post these videos and how to monetize it. So now let's get started. This particular creator is claiming that this video can make you close to $12,000 monthly as YouTube Short. Now, let me tell you something. Let me show you amount that YouTube Short pays. YouTube Short pays cents per 1,000 views. That means if per 1,000 views, you might be earning 0.08 cents. That is when your channel have gotten a lot of views. If your channel have not gotten a lot of views, what you can earn on your YouTube Short is 0.01 cents. That is what you can earn on your YouTube Short. So you making this $12,000 monthly from YouTube Short, re-uploading this Chinese video, I don't think that is possible. Let's take a look at the videos that this creator says that you can re-upload. Let me just play this. So these videos are cat related videos, that's animal videos. If you want to download these videos, imagine that this creator, for this particular video, these persons have gotten 39k views in 4 months. So imagine thousands of creators creating this kind of videos, and what will be your fate if you go ahead, waste your time, create this kind of videos, and at the end you cannot monetize your channel? Because this kind of videos, you cannot monetize your channel because different persons are going to this particular app to download these videos and they are using it on their own channel. So how can you monetize when YouTube does not allow reuse content? So you see that you cannot monetize this kind of video. Now let me tell you where you can monetize this kind of video and ways that you can do it. If you want to monetize this kind of video, you can create this kind of videos following their tutorials. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to create this complete kind of video, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video on that. Where you can monetize this kind of video is on TikTok. The ways you can do this is this. You can create this kind of videos because this kind of videos, they get views faster. So when you create this kind of videos, the way you can monetize it is by selling cat products. So you can go to Amazon, go to all these e-commerce websites, sign up for their referral program, then get the link to this product, then put it under your cat video or your dog video, and when people buy anything from those link, you are going to earn commission. This is ways you can make money from this kind of videos. Even on Instagram, you can also do the same thing and make money using product commission. So that is the only way you can make money from this kind of videos. You can make money from this kind of videos on YouTube. If any one of you watching this video, if you have made money from this style of video, you can let me know in the comment section of this video. So on this channel, I will be reviewing some kind of videos that you should not create so that you don't waste your time on something that is not going to be beneficial for you. If you just want to create this kind of videos for views, then you can go ahead and create these videos, then you drag those audience to your original content. That is another way you can monetize the audience that you get from creating this kind of videos. If you haven't liked this video, like the video so that it can get to other people so that they won't waste their time on this kind of creating this kind of videos, and at the end they won't get monetized. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.